Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Do I have a treat for you? Today I'm going to be doing a mini try on haul courtesy of RPGSHOW. I'm going to be introducing their new lifestyle brand, and I also have a wig from their current line. Now this is the lifestyle brand unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, and I want you guys to take a look at the specs of this unit. Now this unit does come with 4.5 inches of parting space, and you're going to get the pre-plucked hairline, and it's going to come with the lace that we have known to grow and love from RPGSHOW. So the RPGSHOW lifestyle brand is more about the effortless and chic short haircuts for everyday wear, for people who want to just throw on their wig and go. And of course, one of the plus about this is that these units do cost less. So I'm going to show you how easy it was for me to style this particular unit. All I had to do was flatten the top of this unit using my hot comb. Okay dolls, so this is what the lifestyle unit looks like. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I am pleasantly surprised with this unit. When I first put it on, I was a little suspect, like, oh my gosh. I definitely didn't think I was gonna like it because it has like this bang, and it's kind of like, what is this? I don't know, like a shag cut. And I've never worn anything like this, so I can't say that this is the first. And surprisingly, I actually like it. I just knew I was going to turn this into a side part, but I don't feel like I need to. What do you guys think? I don't know. This is such a cute little hairstyle. And this unit is one of those throw on and goes because it has like, it's cut into the style. And it has these waves in it. So this is definitely like a throw on and go type situation. The only downside I will say is that, you know, it's cut into a style, so you're gonna like be stuck with this style. But if you're a person who don't really change up their styles too much, which honestly I'm not, I like have all these ideas in theory with my units, but I really just wear side parts every time. So if you're that type of person who don't really change up their units and they're, you know, just fine with wearing one particular style, or you want like this just to be your style, then I would say this one is a go. I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. It's perfect for every day, and I guess that's part of like what the lifestyle brand is about, is the short, easy throw on type of units. And you guys know I'm all here for that, because anything that makes my life easier is a win. So guys, real quick, let me turn around so you can see what the back of this unit looks like. As you can see, it has these pretty waves that I mentioned previously. So now let's get into the typical RPGSHOW unit. Now this particular unit is going to come with 200% density. You're going to also get the 13x6 parting space that we've grown to love from RPGSHOW. It's going to have plucked hairline, it's going to have bleached knots, and it's going to be an easy install as well. So I'm just parting along so you guys can see the difference in the length of the parting space between this line and the lifestyle brand. And this particular unit is a Kinky Straight unit. It comes with highlights in the hair, and I'm just going to lightly go on top of the unit with my hot comb just to flatten out the base. And then I also decided to straighten it using my blow dryer as opposed to using a flat iron, because I wanted it to maintain some of the natural kinks for this look. Now, once I'm finished, you guys can see how beautiful the highlights in this wig are. This unit looks very natural. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this unit on. Now, what I do want you guys to notice is this is what the unit looked like straight out the box, right? I personally prefer for my units to be plucked a little bit more, but I wanted to make sure I tried it on so you could see how it is plucked. So as you can see, it was plucked, but it wasn't plucked to my liking. So I just went ahead and I plucked the unit a little bit more. And then I cut some of those little baby hairs that I like to do to create that fake baby hair, no baby hair look. And I sleeked it down using some mousse. And this is the difference of what the hairline looks like after I finish plucking it. So now I'm going to go ahead and try this unit back on, and it's ready for the install. So as you guys can see, it's not that much of a difference, but it was just, you know, it's just my personal preference. I like to customize my units to my liking, and you should do the same as well. I'm not going to do any ball cap method using this unit. So I'm going to use my Even New York hairspray. You guys already know by now that's what I do to cover up that line of demarcation for the stocking cap. And I'm just letting you guys see the side of the units, how it is plucked and how natural it looked. Now, I didn't really go into plucking the side, so this is what the standard look of the plucking is going to look if you purchase this unit. And now I'm just dabbing any remainder bold hold that's on the hairline. And guys, you guys can already see how natural this hairline is looking, okay? And I didn't even melt it yet with my scarf. So I'm gonna tie my scarf down along the hairline just to get that to melt in for a little bit. But I am pressed for time, so it will not be for long. And I also decided to go ahead and wrap this unit because I just recently did another Kinky Straight unit, and I really love the way the wrap looks on the unit. And I'm going to tie it down using my scarf just to get that to hold for a minute. And once I'm done, I just took the wrap off and I combed it down. And as you guys can see, it is laying very naturally. I wish I did have some more time to have this unit wrapped, but as you can see, it still looks very beautiful and it looks very natural, and the highlights is definitely given. I don't know, y'all, you tell me. So dolls, this is the Kinky Straight unit. I really like wrapping my Kinky Straights. I think I'm definitely gonna do that going forward. It just makes it lay so much nicer. And I didn't even wrap this one for long because I'm in a rush. What else is new? I really love the highlights in this unit. This is the first time I actually had a Kinky Straight that had highlights, and I think it was colored perfectly. It looks very natural. I didn't really want to rock a middle part, but I'm in a rush. I got somewhere to go, so I guess I'm going to rock this middle part. But as you guys can see, look how deep this parting space is. This hair texture is a very natural texture. Let me turn around, let you see what it looks like from behind. As you guys can see, the lace is melting. It's melting perfectly in with my skin. Let me give you a close-up of this hairline. My only complaint, I really feel like I wish that this was plucked a little bit more, but I know that plucking is like a personal preference. I personally prefer for my units to be plucked to the gods, and I know that some people prefer for the units not to be plucked as much because of different reasons. Some people don't have much of a hairline and they prefer it to not be plucked. Other people I've heard say that they prefer for it to not to be deeply plucked because it lasts longer, because you know frontals do eventually end up balding, so I guess it will pluck itself. But who wants to wait months for the unit to pluck itself? Hey, you know, we're all different. So it's really about what matters to you. Aside from that, everything else was easy breezy. I didn't get any shedding. I got no tangling with this unit. You know, it's RPGSHOW. They're known for having quality units, so I'm not surprised. I did plan on putting this in a side part, but I'm in a rush. I gotta go. I'm going to Dave Chappelle comedy show. If you want to see the behind the scenes of that, make sure you follow my vlog channel. It's called Being Faithfully Asia. I'm going to have it linked up top or in the description box down below, or you can just search Being Faithfully Asia. And as always, dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But of course, y'all gotta have to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call them? Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 names for y'all. Give me a name for this one, the highlighted Kinky Straight, and then make sure y'all give me a name for the other one as well. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.